In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Samsung TV Wi-Fi is not working. So whether you can't connect to a network or you're connected but the Wi-Fi is just not working in general, then keep watching as there are a few steps you can take to solve this. Now, the first thing you want to do is obviously just make sure there's no issues with your actual network itself. So you can try checking your Wi-Fi on other devices like your phone, and it may just be a case of restarting your network router. Sometimes just a solution as simple as this can solve the issue. Now, if you have already tried all of these things, then what you'll need to do is just first turn on your television, and what you need to do is bring up the settings page. Now, you can either do this just by clicking the settings button on your television remote, which is this one here. Alternatively, you can press the home button on your TV, and that's going to bring up your Samsung home screen. And then from here, if you just scroll all the way to the left, you should see this settings right at the end here, and we can just select this like so. Now, once you're on this page here, what we need to do is check our date and time on our television. Now, this might seem like a strange one, but sometimes if you have the wrong date and time set, it can actually cause issues with your Wi-Fi network. So what we're going to do is just scroll all the way down to the General tab and click on this. And then you need to come across and scroll down to System Manager and select this. And then from System Manager, we can just click on Time right at the top. Click on the clock option, and what I'd recommend doing is if you have this set to automatic is try changing it to manual and actually just adjusting the time and date yourself manually and then checking to see if that's fixed your Wi-Fi settings. Now, if it's still not working, what we're going to do is come back over to the previous settings page, and then we're going to come back over to General like so. And what you need to do is from this General window, we're just going to scroll down and click on Network, and then we're going to come down and select Reset Network. Now, this is going to reset all of your network settings, so go and press the reset button. And once this is completed, you'll then need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi, so enter your password and things like that again. And once you've done that, that should have now solved your network issue. Now, if that's still not working, the final thing you can do is turn off your television by the TV remote. And then what we're going to do is actually disconnect the television now from the power for around about 20 seconds. So I'm just going to disconnect it from the actual wall socket over here, and I'm going to leave this unplugged for 20 seconds, and that's going to perform a hard reset on the TV. Once you've waited 20 seconds, simply plug it back into the power like so and turn on your television, and you can check now to see if that's fixed any Wi-Fi issues. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.